my YouTube channel. I'm JaylahMarshae. Happy first day of spring. For the honor of first day of spring, I'm going to be doing a pretty mauve like makeup look for spring. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel, follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so I already have on primer. I used my Smashbox Blur primer, and now I'm going to be taking my Tarte concealer to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. I like to use concealer so it can stick to my eyeshadow, can be more pigmented and stick to something. I'm going to be taking my Morphe Beauty Blender and just blend that in. Now I'm going to be taking my Carly Bible eyeshadow palette with this lighter color. Yeah, I'm going to go in with that color. Since I am not done with eyeshadow, but I am actually going to go into my foundation. I already have on primer, so I'm just gonna. So when I was ordering from Ulta, I had got a sample, and I had got the Tutti Frutti foundation, and I thought I wanted to try it. So I think it's I'm gonna try that, and the color Sand. Okay, that's a little bit on the orange side. So so it's a little too orange for me. So I'm gonna have to mix that with my. Okay. So, that foundation was way too dark for me, so I'm just going to play it safe and go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. So, that was like way too dark. I feel like I could have gotten away with it, but my neck would have been so light, so yeah, let's ignore that. So, I'm just going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. That's so much better. So now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my powder. Now with powder, I'm actually going to go in with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder and banana. Now I'm going to go in with some contour. Now I'm going to go in with some blush. Just go around ahead and do eyeliner. It's my Fenty Beauty color Stunna and the color Uncuffed. I'm going to finish it off with the Urban Decay setting spray. This is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on my social media at JaylahMarshae on Twitter and Instagram. And yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.